In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to upload files in Clickup easily. Whether you're new to Clickup or just looking to enhance your productivity, being able to upload and manage files within your projects is a fundamental skill. So let's dive right into it, and I'll guide you through each step of the process. First things first, open up your preferred web browser and navigate to Clickup's website. Once you are at the home page, look towards the top right hand corner of the screen and click on the Login button. This is going to direct you to the login page where you can access your Clickup workspace. Once you are on the login page, you'll notice an option that says Sign in with Google. Click on this option to streamline your login process, especially if you've set up your Clickup account using your Google credentials. It's a quick and secure way to access your account with just a few clicks. After you've clicked on Sign in with Google, you'll need to select the Google account associated with your Clickup. This might seem straightforward, but it's crucial to ensure you're logging into the correct workspace by choosing your linked Google account. Once you're successfully logged in, you'll find yourself on the Clickup homepage. Now it's time to navigate to the specific list where you want to upload your file. If you're not familiar with lists in Clickup, think of them as your categorized to-dos or project segments. Choose the list that aligns with where you want your file to be stored or shared. Once you've selected and opened the list, the next step is to choose the specific task you want to work with. Click on the task to open it. This will bring up all the task details, making it easier for you to attach your files directly to the task in question. Now scroll down through the task details until you spot the Attachments section. This is the area where you can manage all files associated with the task. It's conveniently located, ensuring that all your task-related documents are in one place. In the Attachments section, you'll see an option to upload. Click on it. This opens up your File Explorer, allowing you to browse through your computer for the specific file you wish to attach. Finally, once you've located your file, select it and then click on Upload File, and there you have it. Your file is now uploaded and linked directly to your task in Clickup. This feature is incredibly useful for collaborating with teammates, keeping project resources organized, and ensuring all your important documents are easily accessible. By following these steps, you've efficiently uploaded your file to Clickup, helping you stay organized and productive. Thanks for watching, and I hope this tutorial has made your Clickup experience a little bit easier. If you found this helpful, be sure to like and subscribe for more tips and insights.